Psalm 4, Mizmor Dalet. For the music director with string instruments, a psalm of David. When I call, answer me, O power of my righteousness. You have relieved my distress. Show me grace and hear my prayer. O men, how long will my honor be a disgrace? How long will you love vanity? How long will you seek after lies? Salah. Know that the Most High has set apart for himself the faithful ones. The Most High will hear when I call to him. Yet do no sin, or on your bed search your heart and be silent. Salah. Offer the sacrifices of righteousness and trust in the Most High. Many are saying, who will show us something good? Lift up over us the light of your face. O YAHWAH, you have filled my heart with more joy than when grain and new wine abound. In peace I will lay down and sleep, for you, O YAHWAH, alone make me dwell in safety. Psalm 4, Mizmor Dalet.